welcome back to my channel. Did you like the walkthrough of my fantasy dream project? Did you like it? There is a kit. I'm going to show you what's inside this box when you get the kit. I'm going to unbox it for you guys. Okay, so there is in the first bag you'll find all the embellishments that I used. In this big bag there is everything inside what I also use. The rhinestones, all the little charms and the bottles are nicely wrapped in this air bubble piece, and of course the this label, the silver ornament label. I really like it. So everything is in this bag to be found. And then of course the binder system is included, and not to forget the big ribbon set with all the ribbons that I used. The flower set is inside, included the little birdie white flowers are included, and of course you will have the binder pieces, the pocket sleeves, and these pages. I have no idea how they actually called, but they are inside. A little welcome note is inside. The black bookbinder's linen is inside. 3 pieces of very nice 2mm thick chipboard, very good quality, and of course my paper pack, which included 6 of these sets with all these beautiful pages. There is a full walkthrough of the papers, but I'm just going to show you real quick what you can expect. So this is one set, and there are 6 sets in this big pile of papers. 78 sheets in total, so you will have enough to use for your fantasy dream project. So send me an email if you like this kit to buy and to purchase, and I hope you like it, and follow my tutorial. My tutorials are always follow along videos, so every measurement, every information I will give you during the tutorial, so just follow them step by step using all these things that are in the kit, and you will have exactly the same mini album with a twist fantasy dream project. So give me a big thumbs up and send me an email. Just send me an email, guys. Send me an email if you like to purchase this kit. Fantasy Dream. Be there before you know it, it's gone. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.